Hey, it's Ninja. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all, and I'm back at it with another YouTube video. So today we're going to be doing the extreme prank of 2017. We're gonna do the my dog got ran over prank. We're gonna get our little puppy Pablo. Hey Pablo. So we gonna pretend like my cousin mom backed up on Pablo. Sorry Pablo, but you gotta die. Oh, we gotta make sure we have the evidence. Go get a ball. Go get a ball. It gotta be like the water. See, look. We just gonna ball with it. I'm trying to eat bleeding everywhere. And then we should. Okay. So he looks nice and bloody. Oh, Pablo. Okay, hold on. Don't put that on my face. That's my pinky. Okay. So this is our. I'm gonna be like Marquise. No, Marquise was running, and he let Pablo go. And Marquand did not see him, and he bagged up on him. Okay, now we finna go to location 2. We finna set up the blood scene, y'all. This is finna be epic, I'm telling y'all. So once she finish up cleaning up all the evidence, we are going to go to. Okay, now we finna go. Okay, shut the door. Yeah, finna make it look like it's blood. Spill all the water. Man, that really look like we're gonna wash it out some though. Make sure she's not looking at us. Somebody should go wash her back window. Down, like down here. No, hold them down here because this is where the blood is at. So will you hold them?
When she get close, bring him out.
Yeah. Be like, yeah! Like that. Be like, yeah!
She comes like, it's a prank, it's a prank. It's a prank. Please don't.
But you gotta be like this.
Yeah, so it's like squeeze him with something, like pinch him.
Let's put this in your house so we won't have to rub it.
Yeah.
How they gonna bite me?
No, it's not real blood. Because he's not cut.
You gotta make Pablo, like, you gotta make him do like,
So I'm gonna pinch him or something. Y'all gotta walk in y'all house.
Ooh, I bet that paint's gonna stain her shoes.
So be it. I gotta get some more shoes anyway.
Take your shoe!
Take your shoe!
yeah. Nick, you gonna have to go in the house because you look too fake. Lay down. Lay all the way down.
Can't move.
Hold him under to where his face is like
You can clearly see that this nigga's alive. And look all the paint all.
Marquise was running outside, and I told him not to let Pablo go, and then Marquand was outside, and he I don't know, but
Under whose car?
under Keisha's car. And
Is
we
that
said it's
blood?
not that much.
That's not a lot of blood?
It's on, but he's still alive though.
Alright.
I'm trying to get some napkins or some. We were just letting him out for a little bit. But we finna go out there, but
Ain't nothing y'all can do to y'all fucking blood on the floor.
his leg part, it's not a lot, but it's just like his leg part is just under there. Like, I don't know, but it was just a little bit, and I told him, I'm sorry, but
I don't know why y'all would even do it.
we were just letting him out for a little bit.
Well, he's probably fucking dead.
He's not dead. He's not dead. I'm pretty sure he's not dead. Okay, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Come on.
What you got to say?
I'm about to get put out, y'all. This was I'm dead. The dog dead.
She said you probably dead.
I'm sorry, nigga. He probably dead. See y'all later.
Like a stamp here, your face asking questions like which way I have my stunner shades on. I ain't seen nothing like Ray Bears, all I chase talk